Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back again today with another 7 trades. Today's date is November the 22nd and I am using my new Pro Trader trading system. Now I've added, after many months after I produced a Pro Trader, I added the Super Signal Indicator. That's the one with the arrows here, pop-up box, audio alerts, suggesting either buy or sell signals. Now every morning, 6 o'clock, right where this vertical line is, I'm in front of the computer looking at all the instruments here. I believe I have 19 of them down here, Forex and futures. And I'm also taking a look at the daily trade plan to see which ones I should be looking at. Let's take a look. I took this screenshot around a little after 6 a.m. this morning. And as you can see, lots of blue, especially for the futures here. And all my trades this morning were buys, taken a little after 7:10 approximately. And I closed them all out about an hour later, close to 8:20. So before 8:30 in the morning, and less than an hour and a half of working, I am now done trading for the day, while most people are just starting or getting ready for their 9 to 5 day job. Now as you can see, all the trades I've taken, all the buys, were directly from my daily trade plan expert advisor. If you do not have a daily trade plan, you will fail at trading. It doesn't have to be exactly like this, but you have to know whether the market's going up or down. Now, between the Super Signal Indicator and this TZ indicator, the goal line here, this really helps to find the beginning of the up and down cycles within the market. Now this is great for traders who love to scalp the markets on the 5-minute time frame. You can easily trade all 3 trading sessions 24 hours a day. Now you really need 4 things to succeed at trading. You need a lot of chart time. You need a lot of demo trading. You need a lot of education. I provide the education. And of course you need a daily trade plan. Now you should be buying more education every 2 to 3 months if you want to succeed at trading. Don't sit around month after month and year after year with the same system and continuously losing. So instead of giving the broker the money, buy education. You don't have to buy from me, but you got to buy from somebody. And find somebody that you if you want to learn a certain way of trading, find somebody who trades that way, and then all you got to do is mimic what they're doing. That's what my mentor told me more than 15 or 16 years ago, and that's exactly what I did. There's lots of traders out there, and all you got to do is find somebody that you would like to mimic your way of trading. Okay, now we can get into these trades. First trade was the pound dollar. Wanted to be buying it. There's the arrow. I got in after a bit of a pullback. I'm glad I got out because I would be losing just a few pips, but I'd rather have a winner than have a loser. And the pound dollar does pay $10 for each pip because the USD is on the right hand side. So looking at the money, this should be 28 pips. And there it is right there, 28 pips. Times the $10, times the 10 lots, paid out $2,800. Okay, moving on to the next trade, which is the Dow Jones. Now let's see where I got in at. Another one I bought. If I stayed in a trade, it would be making more ticks for me. But I took the money, divided it by 5, as it pays $5 for each tick. Calculator says it's 59. So let's see. 59 ticks. And as soon as there it is there, 59. Could have made over 100, but I was happy with the 59 times the $5 times the 10 lots paid out $2,950. Moving on to the next trade, which is the pound yen. Wanted to be buying it, and I teach exactly how to trade this way. Like from this point up to the goal line, I call that a pullback, and once it breaks through and keeps going, then that is continuing, or a complete reversal. Instead of going down, it's doing a reversal. So this was the setup candle. That's your trigger candle. I took it right away. Everything down at the bottom is saying to buy. It's very, very clear signals. And let's see, pound yen. Looks like I got 44 pips on this one. And the 44 pips, by the way, it pays actually less than $10. It's probably around 8 or something like that, or a little bit under 8. But anyhow, different Forex pairs pays out different amount of money. But anyhow, 44 times the money times the 10 lots paid out $3,185. Moving right along to the next trade, the pound CAD. Here we go. I bought it, and same as the other pound pair, the pound yen, same thing. Broke through here. That was a setup candle. That's your trigger candle. Got in at a pretty good price. Looks like I closed it out at a pretty good price because it did a huge pullback here. And it looks like I ended up with about 43 pips. And those 43 pips times the money times the 10 lots paid out $3,209. Okay, let's move on to the next trade, the Russell. Russell pays $10 for each tick. Looking at the money, well, it should be 34. So let's see. And looks like it's still moving. Got another buy signal right here. But anyhow, I'm done trading. And what did I say? 34. There it is right there. You remove the last digit. So it's 34 ticks times the $10 times the 10 lots paid out $3,400. Moving right along to the next trade. S&P 500. Okay, on this S&P 500, wanted to be buying it. That's exactly what I did. Everything qualified for a great way to trade. Moving averages, all the indicators down at the bottom. This was the setup candle. As soon as I saw it, I knew it was going to continue up. I actually knew from back here, right here. With 95% certainty, it's going to go up. So if you're an aggressive trader, and I teach these tips and tricks within the training videos, you can get in at a better price if you're an aggressive. And if you want to wait for the arrow, you can get in right here. And that looks like right around the point that I got in at. So either here, 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 or here. There's no right or wrong. You're going to get in. Now what I did was I took the money, divided it by 5, because it pays $5 for each tick, and the calculator says it's 92. So let's see, 92. There it is right there, 92. You remove the last digit. 92 times the $5 times the 10 lots paid out, $4,625. Okay, moving on to the last trade, which is the NASDAQ. This one pays $20 for each tick. Wanted to be buying it. Qualified for a great way to trade. Took the money, divided by 20. And the calculator says 33.7 actually, but let's just go with the 33. So let's see if we can find 33. 33. There it is right there. You remove the last two digits, so it's 33 times the 20 times the 10 lots paid out $6,740. So it looks like it's another great day of trading. So I added up all the pips and the ticks, and I knew it was going to be over 200. Grand total was 333 pips and ticks. And all of those pips and ticks paid out $26,909. So if your system is not producing like my Pro Trader on a daily basis, well, I recommend you get the Pro Trader, and don't forget to get the Daily Trade Plan EA. Now, if you want some more information, all you have to do is look right below this video, and you'll see 4 different packages. Have a special offer. If you buy any 2, you can take one other one for free. So on the right here, we have the Pro Trader system. And as I mentioned, individually, they're $250. And my system has over 3 gigabytes of training, and you'll get an exact copy of my system on your MT4 platform. So let's say you take the Pro Trader and you get your hands on the Daily Trade Plan EA. If you buy these 2, well, I'll throw in one of the other 2 for free. You can either take the Easy Trader system with the Super Signal Indicator, or you can take How I Trade Live Advanced Trading Tips. Now, as it says right here, the Super Signal Indicator is a very good upgrade to any system you may have, or you can use the system as is. So this one has only 3 videos focusing on the indicator, whereas the How I Trade Live, there's a lot of training videos in here, 20 of them. The videos are approximately 20 to 30 minutes long each. And the other one, the Pro Trader, it has a lot of training videos, even more, 22, and each one is about 30 minutes long. So I teach in great detail how to trade my system. So each package is very educational. I recommend you get your hands on all 4 of them. So you can put the video on pause at any point in time. You can read everything, all the different ways that I teach on how to trade the markets. If you have any questions, simple, just pick up the phone and call me. Here's my number. Now, I really do prefer Skype, so made it easy for you. All you got to do is click on this link and we will have a Skype connection. And also keep in mind, you can send me an email. Here's my email address. Remember, there's an underscore right here. But getting back to Skype, once we have a connection and through Skype screen sharing, I'll give you a free session. I'll answer your questions. I'll give you some tips and tricks. And keep in mind, I do all of that with no obligation to you. So it's just about time to wrap up this video. And of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, I want to wish you good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.